Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting ready. Install the Google AI Studio app or open it in your phone browser and sign in. Once done, grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions so models can access media. Make sure billing or free tier is set up if required. This avoids interruptions. If you plan to upload large files, switch to Wi-Fi or a stable 5G connection. Doing these steps first prevents permission prompts and failed uploads later, so you can move straight into creating. You now create your project. Tap New Project and pick text, image, or multimodal depending on your goal. After that, upload your dataset or pick a sample dataset. Label inputs and outputs clearly so training learns correct mappings. Next, configure model options like temperature for creativity, max tokens or response length, and the runtime region to reduce latency. Make sure API keys are entered if you'll call the model externally. These configurations control behavior and costs, so review them before training. You finish by starting training and watching the progress dashboard for loss and sample outputs. Pause if results diverge. Once training completes, run quick tests in the built-in playground to verify responses and adjust your dataset or hyperparameters if necessary. When satisfied, deploy the model to get an endpoint or shareable link and test it from another app or device. If deployment stalls, clear the app cache, restart the phone, and retry. That simple troubleshooting fixes most permission or network hangups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.